Wash the install area. Determine ideal location for the bumper guards. Apply masking tape around the bumper as a guide. Note, this is the most important step, so take your time. Peel adhesive backing a few inches at a time and stick to the bumper using the tape as a guide. Take your time. Note, do not press down hard until the end when you are satisfied. Bumper guards may not adhere well to the edge lip due to the sharp angle. Start by clipping the bumper guard on an angle to match the bumper edge. We recommend starting install 1 to 1.5 inches from bumper edge. You can also double up the bumper guard for greater protection.